Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this SopiGuard product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Today we're going to be doing a skin install, the Honeycomb Gold, for $11.99 over at the SopiGuard website. I'll be leaving that information down below in the description area. But yeah, we're going to give a little extra sum to my S23 Ultra. This is the packaging. Very nice presentation. On the back it says, "Thank you for your purchase. Please visit SopiGuard.com for installation guide." I did not purchase the skin. Again, this was sent to me as a gift. There's a lot of different skins that you can choose from over at the SopiGuard website. This is just one that I'm going to share with all of you. This is going to cover all of the back, top, bottom, and sides. Also, I will be putting on this case after everything is said and done, because once we go through the process of using the blow dryer, which is going to heat up the adhesive that is going to allow the skin to adhere, to stick to the back and sides, top, bottom of the S23 Ultra, the case itself is going to help press onto the skin, which helps with that sticking process. I also use a little rubbery pad here to keep my S23 Ultra from moving around. I do want to mention that there is a very important rule when it comes to using a blow dryer, especially if you have it on high heat. Always move it around. Okay, never letting that heat sit in one spot for too long. I don't care if you do it like this or like this or like that. Okay, it doesn't matter. You just want to move the blow dryer around. That's very, very important.
Now, outside of the skin, what you get inside the envelope is and I'm always digging me a SopiGuard microcloth. Very nice. And you get a alcohol prep pad here to clean off the back of the S23 Ultra, and then I'll wipe it down with that SopiGuard microcloth. So I'm going to speed up the video, play some music, take your time, enjoy the process.
That's it, folks. That is beautiful. Beautiful. There might be a little bit of a gap in the corners, but that's okay. That's not something that's going to be really noticeable. You just want to make sure that the cutout up top is right over that microphone area there, which is really darn close. And at the bottom, it's just a little bit off, but it's pretty darn near perfect. Everything looking great. And now I want to put on the UAG 16-foot drop tested Plyo series clear case. Got some hard plastic see-through material on the back there, TPU material all the way around. I've already reviewed this case, but man, what a better case to put over the top of the S23 Ultra with the SopiGuard Honeycomb Gold skin. Just look at that. You already got protection with the skin over the back of the S23 Ultra glass back, and now you have the UAG Plyo. All cutouts will be precise. Just look at that. You can't even see those corners that have a little bit of a tiny gap. No, that is super cool, man. That is just gorgeous. I'm gonna wipe down my S23 Ultra there. Turn it back on, give you a close-up here. You can see the cutout with the Plyo case and the little cutout with the skin directly over the mic at the bottom. Everything pretty darn near perfect as well. As far as the S Pen, boom, just like that. A lot of protection on the back, front, and again, that skin is going to protect that glass back. Double the protection going on right here with the skin and the case. Any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. 2 links in the description area, one for the SopiGuard website and the other for the UAG website to purchase the Plyo clear case. And I'm going to tell you right now, there are definitely going to be some eyeballs staring down your S23 Ultra. And with that, thanks for watching. God bless you all. Stay safe and healthy. Peace. I am out.